Hey everyone, today we are going to explore how to become a VLSI engineer. The people who design the tiny brains inside your phones, laptops, and gadgets. Stick with me till the end because I'll walk you step by step through the complete roadmap. Think about this. Why does your phone feel faster every single year? The magic isn't just apps, it's the chip inside. And the heroes behind that chip, they are called VLSI engineers. You can think of them like brain doctors for your devices. They make sure everything runs smoothly, efficiently, and without errors. VLSI stands for Very Large Scale Integration. In simple words, it means putting millions of tiny switches called transistors on a single chip. Imagine fitting entire city, roads, buildings, traffic into a space of a coin. That's what VLSI engineers do with circuits. Step 1. Get your basics right. Start with digital electronics like learning logic gates and or and not. Then move on to flip-flops, counters, and circuit design. Next, learn HDL languages like Verilog or VHDL. These are like programming but for hardware. And here is the key. Practice your small circuits. Don't just read. Try building things. That's how you train your brain to think like a chip. Step 2. Tools of the trade. Big companies use Cadence, Synopsys, and Mentor. But don't worry, if you don't have access, you can always start with free tools available online. Think of tools as lab equipment. The more you play around, the more confident you become. Mistakes are normal here. They are the best teachers in this field. Step 3. Find your specialization. VLSI has three main parts: front end, back end, and testing. Front end covers RTL coding, simulation, and verification. Back end covers layout, floor planning, routing. And last, testing. It covers debugging and validation. Don't try to master everything at once. Explore each area and then choose the one that excites you the most. Projects are your proof of skill. Start small. Maybe design a 4-bit ALU, a mini processor, a memory circuit, even a low power circuit counts. Here the golden rule is theory is your map, but projects are your driving practice. Without projects, employers won't see your real skills. Internships. These are like internships are where you learning meets reality. This is where you get to see how professionals actually design chips. Don't worry, if you don't know much in the beginning, everyone starts by observing, learning, and slowly contributing. Think of internships as your dress rehearsals before the big show. Here comes the step 6, and it's the final one. Your resume is your entry ticket. Add your projects, list the tools, and highlight internships or online courses. But here is the trick is always customize your resume for each company. A good resume opens the door, but your skills decides if you stay inside or not. You can have extra skills like chips don't work alone, and neither do engineers. That's why you always need problem solving, debugging, teamwork, and communication. A quick hack is try explaining your project to a friend. If they understand, you have mastered both concepts and your communication. Let's do a quick recap. In this video, we know that for the top 6 steps that you can become a VLSI engineer. Step 1. Build your basics. Step 2. Learn tools. Step 3. Choose your path. Step 4. Do some projects. Step 5. Internships. And final one, step 6. Resume and jobs. Every step is like a brick. Stack them one by one, and soon you will have a solid career in VLSI. So, now you know the complete roadmap to becoming a VLSI engineer. Don't just watch, start practicing today. Each small step brings you closer. Share your projects, join communities, keep learning, and your VLSI journey begins right now.